So how can you indent the text on your journal in the iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. So if this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can get inside of your journal entry and go to the body of the text, and you can start typing as usual. And if you would like to add some formatting to the text, you can click on the AA button at the top, right? And this will give you the ability to click on the three buttons below to create a numbered list or these dotted lists, but it will indent it a little bit and slide it to the side like that, right? So that would be one way of doing that. You also have the button right here next to the text color, and it will also just create this quoting section or whatever you want to call it, and it will also slightly indent the text to the right. It will separate it from the rest of the text, so that's another formatting tool you can use directly in here. So keep in mind that we are using the built-in solution within here, but if you are using the attached keyboard, especially on your iPad, you can use the tab bar or the tab button to indent it or move to the side, but it's just not part of the iPhone built-in software keyboard. So yeah, it's kind of limited. I mean, it gets the job done, it works out, and of course you can also use the space bar to move outside a little bit and start typing in the text a little bit to the side, but it's not the official indenting feature. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and more videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you then.